High-protein grilled chicken Alfredo pasta. Start by cubing chicken breasts and seasoning with salt, Italian herbs, parsley, chili flakes, garlic powder, paprika, and olive oil. Mix well, then cook in a buttered pan for 6 to 8 minutes on medium heat. Then add little bit of extra butter. Next, sauté onion and garlic with the same seasonings. Add tomato sauce, milk, light cream, and Parmesan cheese. Stir until creamy, then mix in cooked pasta. Serve with the grilled chicken for a protein-packed meal. Credits to Jalalsamfit. Like and share for more.